Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If someone new who is watching me for the first time, I'm your Ashita from my channel Ashita Deleted. I make video related to die craft, artworks, travel, food, lifestyle, beauty, unboxing and review and much more. You can check out in my bio. You know, nowadays the hair fall problem is a major issue with everyone due to the change of this water condition and all. And what we used to do is we give a lot of treatments for improvements of our hair, for growth of our hair. Likewise, if you want to do our hair straightening, we use our hair straightener, and this hair straightener works with a heat treatment, and this what will damages our hairs mainly. So like our hairs, we use different methods to look perfectly, but behind that there will be a lot of issue with hair problems and all. And for today in this video, I'm gonna show you this curler. I'm gonna show this curler. I bought this from Flipkart. I got this for $220. Guys, this is a roller for hairs. By this you can do your hairs curling without any heat treatment. Very flexible, it is easily twistable like this. You can see. And this one, it doesn't damages to your hairs at any cost. And with this you can apply to your hairs and you can do your other works also. If you want, you can sleep with this. It doesn't damages anything. And you can see here all these curlers are in different shape because I already used this. And in my channel you already know before that in front of reviewing any product in front of camera, I gonna use this for nearly 4 to 6 months, and if the results are good only then I gonna review in front of camera. So I already used this. I thought it's very good product, let me review in front of camera. So I came with this product today. This what I gonna do is now I apply this to all over my hairs. I gonna put to all over my hairs and I gonna sleep tonight full. And this curler requires only for 7 to 8 hours max to get a perfect curl, but I leave much more time to get a perfect curl. And for me it's not a big issue to sleep with this. It's so comfortable. Guys, before using this roller to your hairs, just make your hairs somewhat wet or take a shower, because it requires somewhat wet condition of your hair such that it should be easily fitted and it should get a perfect curl. Or else you can use any kind of hair sprayers such that it acts as lubricant and gives a good rolling. My hair is somewhat wet now, you can see. And this rollers, you'll get 10 rollers. I'll apply ear 5 and ear 5 rollers such that I make equal parts over here. Now I'm using this aloe vera gel spray. This one I made DIY spray. How I made this and all, I'll share this in the link in the description. You can go and check it out once. What are the benefits and how you can use this and where and all you can use this. I made a video, you can check it out once. Now I'm gonna spray this all over my hairs. Roll it off all over my hairs. Firstly, I'm gonna do with this part. I'll take this one. I'll add some clip. And like this, what you're gonna do is take like this and just twist. As I said before, it is very flexible. You can do however you want. You don't need any kind of hairpins. You can just tie it out like this. Like this. Likewise, I'm gonna do all over. Gonna take this small section just keep tight here and just roll it on however you want. It's very simple. Rollers for this part and 5 rollers for this one, and we are left with last, and this one we are left with last roller. And this part is now ready. Now let me do with this part. Guys, in one package you will get 10 pieces. If you want to do your curlier even more thin, you can do many curls to your hair. I just use only 10 rollers. If you want, you can buy another products likewise 1, 2 or 3, and you can apply all over hair such that you will get more curlier. Now I am done. What I'm gonna do is I'll leave this for entire night. I'm gonna sleep with this such that my curlers will be so perfect, and tomorrow morning I'm gonna review how my curler looks like, how my hair looks like. So wait for it. And it's been early morning right now. Thought of filming this roller, and let me show how it looks. Likewise, I'm gonna remove every curl, and I'm gonna review at the end by setting something, by combing properly. Guys, you can see now how perfectly it came. Really, I'm so happy. With the help of curler also, it's not so perfect. You can see how nicely the curl. By this roller, you can easily curl it off, and after curling, you can't brush your hairs because it might damage to your curly hair. So it's a temporary purpose. If you wash your heads also, it might damage your curl. And I really love this. And if you want to buy this, I'll share the link in the description. You can go there and you can check it out once. And that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys like this curl and my video also. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you.